how to use and set up a jam session in Spotify. So if you were to use and set up a jam session on your Spotify, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Spotify application. After opening, you need to go with your home section. Now under your home, you need to go with the top left to charge your profile option, and under your profile, you need to go with settings and privacy. Now from settings and privacy, you need to go with privacy and social. Under privacy and social, you need to scroll down and you'll find jam session right here. Under social features, you will have jam access with Bluetooth. So you need to go with enable, which is on the right side, and then turn on the Bluetooth access. Once you turn it on, go back to your Spotify, go with the same interface, tap on jam access, and as you can see that after turning on your Bluetooth, you'll have this kind of interface. You can go with learn how, and here it will give you the information. And as you can see that it says first you need to check that Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and for the Spotify app. Make sure that your friends nearby have their Bluetooth enabled too, and then start playing anything your friends nearby with Bluetooth enabled will be invited to join your jam. You need to tap on got it. And if you go back, here you will have an option of devices. So you just need to simply go with devices and then add a device. You will have add device option. You can connect it to a device, and after connecting to a device, you'll be able to start the jam. You can also share the link, or you can tap phones or scan the QR code in order to invite your friends to join your jam. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.